The 2012 Smart Fortwo Ultimate 120 by Brabus. The 2012 Geneva Motor Show was a pretty busy show for Brabus, with them not only focusing on updates for high-performance sports cars, but also for tiny models like the Smart Fortwo Cabrio. Their latest package is called the Brabus Ultimate 120, and as its name suggests, it will increase the Fortwo's output to a total of 120 HP. The car will be painted in an intense metallic red and will feature a pretty cool aerodynamic kit that includes new front spoiler, side sills, and Brabus Widestar fender flares in the front and back. It will sit on a new set of 18 inches Platinum Edition forged wheels combined with a height-adjustable Brabus coilover suspension kit. The interior was covered in Mastik leather with red contrasting seams that match the outer skin. Brabus also added a new set of Recaro Sportster seats wrapped in the finest Brabus leather, and their seat shells are painted in the same color as the car's exterior. Under the hood, the 3-cylinder turbocharged engine has been tricked to deliver a total of 120 HP at 6,000 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 118 pound-feet available between 2,250 and 3,750 revolutions per minute, unparalleled in this vehicle class. As a result, the new Ultimate 120 will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 8.9 seconds and will be capable of a top speed of 106 miles per hour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.